should record too.
Yo, Jason.
Hey, how's it going?
Good day.
Yeah, good.
Uh, everything's cool. Everything's cool. How about you? How's
Good.
your day?
Things are going good here. Yeah, just getting rolling, cleaning up a couple different snapshot things here and doing good. We put together a there was a basically took the rewards and promotion system and kind of stripped out rewards for the moment and built out just a straight promotions um version of the snapshot that only has that's just all around promotions. So we're not dealing anything with like points or rewards or anything like that. Just got it all cleaned up, but we need to probably test it a little bit more before we go ahead with everything. But things are looking good. I know you had a question you sent
Yeah, yeah,
a
yeah, yeah.
year or so ago, right? So I didn't get a chance to look at it yet, but do you wanna just go through it right now?
Yeah,
Or do
yeah,
you guys
yeah.
get it figured out or
No, no, no. I'm still waiting for yeah, because we sent out like an SMS blast like
okay.
last Monday, and then I included like a funnel page there, a promotion funnel
Okay.
page, so that people can um, take a look at the featured promotion. And last Monday, whenever I check it out, like it's there, but I received a message that it went away, and I was wondering what happened to that one. And whenever I check it out, yeah, it's not showing on the promotion page.
Oh, can we
Um,
take any chance you can bring that up?
sure, I'm going to share my screen. Let's see, what is this? Okay, can you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay, so this will be. Can you see this one?
Yep.
Yeah. So this will be the page where this will be the link that we're sending. So supposedly there's like a promotion here coupon, but it's missing. So the only thing that we can see here are these four things.
So if you click on redeemed, does it show it in there?
Yeah. It will show the free drink redeem, but I was wondering because that large image here is missing. The
So
featured
image do you have for the featured image? I
it's let me
understand. So it should.
it should show. Let's see. I'm gonna go to my promotions. So
It could be because we made some changes to the homepage there. We added in that redeemed button. The home and
you did?
yeah,
Yeah.
so it could be
So
because
this would be
of
the
that.
yeah. So this would be the image that should show on that page
Okay.
for the featured promotion. So this one is showing last Monday. Not last Monday, this Monday. So we're sending out SMS blast every Monday, and this one is showing. But I receive an email or an SMS that it's not showing there. So the
Can you
restaurant.
see it in your rewards?
No, I can't. This one,
And
it
it's
it
not
it,
under
it
redeemed.
will not
That's the
show.
free drink, the one
Yeah,
that was redeemed, right?
yeah, yeah. So it's not
Okay.
showing here. So I went into the page and then I didn't do anything because there's like custom
Yeah.
values there, and I don't want to mess it up.
No
So
idea. I
yeah,
don't think it
that's
would be
that's
anything
missing.
with that. It's probably worth filtering. So some of the promotions, just like so go back.
Go back
Oh
to
yeah,
promotion.
click on your promotions and then yeah, go back to your list of promotions.
Okay, this promotion.
Um always on Monday ends on September 8th, but it's always on, so that should be fine. It's set as the featured image. Okay, so let me see. We don't have it's just the two of us here. We got Waj here is our VA who's helping out with stuff too, so
Cool.
he's learning the system kind of like you got everyone else is too. So let me take a look at um it's going
Should
to
I
be
stop my share
under
or what?
no, just leave it for a
Okay.
minute. Can you actually I'll see if I can do this while we're on the call here today, and until somebody else comes along and says, "Hey, they've got a question or something." Anyways, so let's see what we can figure out here. I think I know where it's coming from, but let me see. I need to pull up. Oh yeah, it's under here. It's going to be here. It's going to be under display promotions. I have to go into our programming back end here. And it's because you do have it set as a featured image, which is
Mm-hmm.
good.
Yeah.
Um, do, do, do. And it wouldn't be. I might end up having to do a little bit more digging. So if we have the results,
When did you change the
it
promotion
would have
page?
been it would have been like earlier or like the week last week. I think like on Wednesday we
Oh,
add
Wednesday. Yeah,
in. Yeah, it
because
was
we have
probably.
two redemptions here, so I'm guessing that happened like around Monday or Tuesday.
Yeah, we like so we try I tested it as much as we could. So it's weird to me that that cover image isn't showing because you do have it set as featured as
Featured.
well.
Yeah, featured
So
promotion.
and it's show to all, it's featured, it's unique ID 4444. Um so what if going to try something? Try go back to that page and hit refresh.
Let's see.
No.
Maybe
Um,
twice. Let's see if it will show.
yeah,
Yep,
because
it's not showing.
probably gonna have to play around with it a little bit to see. Um, so we're checking to see if the primary promo equals if, oh, maybe we need to put this down here. Try hit refresh on that.
All right. Still not showing.
No. So I got to figure out where, essentially, and I think we're probably grabbing it. It's just okay, here I'm gonna try something else. Let's try, I'm gonna remove this. and then hit, and then see if this is it, and then see if it'll show up after that. So do a refresh now. It'll tell me if that's the issue or not. Yeah,
Okay, that's
so it
showing.
is this. So basically what we're doing is um checking to see if there's a coupon or if the coupon has been redeemed in the past, then
Okay.
um then we can grab the redemption date for it. But if there is no redemption for it,
Yeah.
like if it hasn't been redeemed, then it seems like it's not displaying it at all. It's overwriting it.
Yeah, it's not displaying the expiration date or something. But this one is set
So,
to always on,
so let's
so I
go
doubt it will show the end date. So yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna change here to make it like it will expire.
try yeah, try go back and hit refresh again now.
Okay.
Or I might have to try two different things and see what happens.
Yeah, it went away again.
Okay, 1 second. Hit refresh and try that.
It's not showing.
Okay, so I'm going to, how can I do this? So we're, okay, I'm gonna do this instead. Leave that there, and I'll put another if here. If okay, hit refresh and see if that does it. Basically, I just wanted to need to check to see if there's a redeem if it's been. And I might have made an error here. Just 1 second.
It's taking too long.
Yeah. Okay. Refresh again. Yeah. The hardest part is that I can't just go directly and be like, okay, well, let's see what this is doing. And then you have to like refresh every time. So hit refresh there again, or did you just do it?
Yeah, I did.
Okay.
Gonna do it again.
Uh,
Usually, it will only take like 5 to 10 seconds to load it, but it's not loading.
yeah. Okay. So I wrote something there that it doesn't like. Oh, that's why. Oh, all right. Refresh one more time.
Yeah, I just did. Okay, there you go. Another one. Oh, there you go. It showed,
Okay. So
but
we're
still the
still, I see what the problem is. It's because we're doing the redeemed. But I can't because we're probably getting uh let's go.
so question. So if
Yeah.
someone redeemed
I'll
that
just take it
coupon,
out for now and then I'll have to test it later. Because it's not really
yeah. So
that big of
some
a deal. All it is pretty much if you have a all we're saying is if you have a featured image, if you have a
okay.
featured image and um that coupon's been redeemed before. So here I just saved okay, let me save this, hit refresh.
Okay. Refresh.
So you
Okay,
should get that. Now,
redeemed.
if you click on that right now, it hasn't been redeemed before, has it?
Yeah,
Or
it's
like you
it's
didn't
not
redeem it,
redeemed.
did you?
Yeah, yeah, no, because it's not showing. Okay,
Okay, so it was redeemed.
September 2.
So that's why it
Okay,
wasn't showing on there. So that's why it wouldn't be showing for you. I wonder if you click on somebody else's name that hasn't redeemed it and then see what they see. Because that should have been so then if it was if you did redeem it, then it wouldn't show that one before you for you because it's already been redeemed. You know what I mean? So it
yeah,
should
that's
show in their redeemable items anymore because we don't want to what we're trying to avoid is clogging up their their feed with a bunch of redeemed coupons
hmm
that are so that I think that is actually working properly. However, I want to know if that I want that item to I want to make sure that that item goes into the redeemed folder. Okay, so click on redeemed and it's not showing it there. So
not showing. Yeah,
that's somebody else's though, right?
yeah, this one is somebody else's like link
Okay, and then refresh theirs. How come we don't have
okay
oh how come we don't have a contact ID at the end of that?
a contact
Can you go back to the your high level?
over here.
Yeah. So if you click on the promotions list, does that go to the promotions without the contact ID?
Yeah, this one is just
Okay.
the
So
promotion page. Yeah.
go back
Okay,
there, go to marketing,
marketing. Oh, okay, marketing.
and then go to
Okay,
trigger
we're done.
links. Do you know which trigger link you're sending out for that?
This one.
It can't be that one because it doesn't have a trigger. It doesn't have the contact ID at the end. So do you have a different one?
Mm. No, that's the link that we're sending.
It
Well,
can't be
I'm
though
just using.
because the other
Yeah,
one says VIP promotions, but then it doesn't have CID. Or like if you go click on your tab up at the top to the promotions page,
this one.
like see there's no contact ID after promotions. There's no
It
CID
should
after
it should
promotions.
stay here, right?
Yeah, and it should have CID. It should like see in your URL up at the top where it says reward Azteca yeah, as
Promotions.
promotions, and then it should have question mark CID equals a contact ID. So go back
Mm.
to your marketing, go back to your thing there.
All
Click
right.
previous. Do you have another one that's for promotions?
Mm,
Click on the previous tab down at the bottom. Like
previous
your first page for your trigger
conver
links.
Oh, okay.
Um,
Over here.
no, I just want to scroll down and see you have lots of trigger links.
Do you have like
Can you do a search for promotions?
over here
Yeah, promote
promotions
or just do promo or something like that to see if there's other.
link to promotions page? Is this the one?
Can you go to the email or can you go to the message that you sent out so we can take a look what got sent out actually?
The master.
Yeah, is or yeah,
The
like when you sent out the message, do you do it through a workflow or do you do it through
well,
uh
we usually do it by workflow, but
okay,
this week we did like
a bulk action
we
type
select the
thing?
yeah, bulk action. Yeah.
Okay, so then go to contacts and then go to bulk actions.
Okay.
up at the top there. And
Okay.
then can you view details? Does it show the message that you sent out?
I think so. Let me see. Yeah, I
Yeah, I
think
wonder how we
promotion.
can see the full thing. Can
Let me
you click on
see.
the like number sent or anything like that? So I thought there was a
Yeah.
way that you could see all the details. Uh,
Yeah.
those are errors. So click on, yeah, delivered wouldn't, if you clicked on delivered, it's still not going to show you probably. Okay, close this. I wonder if we can go to try other thing. Let's go back to cont there or conversations. Either one.
Conversations.
Yeah, let's go to conversations. And then um click on,
This will be the link that's
yeah,
going
so
out.
click on the three dots in the at the top right of the blue there.
Three dots.
Yeah,
Okay.
right there, and go click on details. Click on the workflow. It says automation workflow.
Yeah, this one is the workflow that we're using. But right now sometimes it fires because it was triggered by the tag. So maybe that's why
Okay.
this is showing workflow.
Yeah, I just want to see where we're getting that message from because it should have CID equals and then bracket bracket contact ID and then curly brackets, you know what I mean?
Mm.
So that because we do track each one of those contacts to see what promotions they have access to and then which ones they've redeemed.
Yeah, this one.
Okay, so too bad we can't even. Okay, click on that trigger link, or try to put one in below it because let's just see where if we can see where that yeah, click on the trigger link.
Oh, trigger link
Yeah, yeah.
or
So
this one.
yeah, okay, okay. So that's super weird, right? Okay, close that, delete that. We're gonna try one other thing. Go back to workflows
All right.
and then go back to our go back to marketing and then your trigger links.
Trigger
Okay,
links.
and then go to that promotions one
Here it is.
and edit that one at the end where it's just says MAJ whatever, remove that ID because that's somebody's actual contact ID. So if the problem
Okay.
with that is that if you are passing that ID over to your promotions page, just
Mm-hmm.
using that ID, our system is going to check to see if that ID has redeemed that coupon. And if you have one person that's redeemed that coupon using that ID, everyone else is going to be, it's going to show redeemed.
Mm.
So
Okay.
put curly bracket, curly bracket.
Curly
Uh,
bracket.
yeah,
Is that the
two,
one?
and then yeah, put two of those,
Oh, two. See.
and then do contact.id, or you put
Ooh.
slash, and then
Like that?
yeah, finish the curly braces, and then hit save. Okay, and then let's go back to conversations now,
Maybe I open conversations here. That there it is. Okay.
and then try to click on that link. So it should update.
Should I refresh?
I don't know if you have to.
Okay. Let's see. Where's that? Okay, is that okay?
There you go. So click on that now.
Redeem?
Yeah. So it should say that it wasn't redeemed.
Oh, okay, there you go.
Okay. So I find it just weird for some reason your URL at the top doesn't show any of
The
like
ID.
yeah, the query the parameters.
Yeah, it should say here, right?
Yeah, well it should say even like in your URL at the top it should show the question mark CID
The
equals
ID. Yeah.
whatever because it's just weird. I wonder if there's some reason like it's you have it turned off in your browser or something. Or what browser are you in? Are you in
I'm using Opera.
you're using which, sorry?
Opera. GX.
Oh, okay. So maybe they just have it hidden.
Oh, maybe. Maybe
Is
that's
this
what it
that
is.
what plugin do you have? This is like an app though. I think I've used it before. Um
I think this one is an Apple browser, I think. I don't
it's
have any active
okay.
plugins rather than LastPass.
Yeah, okay. There was like an app that I had that was similar to this that brought in had all my email and everything in it. And you can open up browsers and everything in there too.
Mhm.
You said it's Opera?
Opera GX, yeah.
Yeah, okay. All right, so that was the problem. We need to you were passing in your promotions ID, your contact ID in your promotions, you were passing a single ID, which was for
Mm,
one person, one contact that was in
for
there.
just one contact. Okay.
So what was happening was that um if that one person redeemed a coupon, which could have been you, then everyone else is going to see that that coupon has been redeemed.
Mm,
So
interesting.
that's why. So that would be messing that up. So now that you put contact ID, everybody who clicks on that link is going to then it will be unique for each one of those people.
Mm-hmm.
And then
Okay.
they will see then if they've redeemed a coupon or if because instead of everybody because we track it all by that contact ID that we pass through the thing because that's a unique ID, right? Unique to high level. So then if somebody redeems that coupon, we know that they've redeemed it and we track it in our back end. Otherwise, everyone's going
Cool.
to be redeeming that same coupon or they can only redeem it once from that person.
Cool. Okay.
So now that should
So
be
that would be
fixed for you now.
the trigger
The
link.
only thing I need
I'll
to the only thing it seems like I need to update is that after you've redeemed that coupon that is the featured one,
it will
that it
show
then goes into
over here.
redeemed.
Mm.
So yeah. So yeah,
Cool.
ideally, yeah. So the way it should work is that if you after you redeemed it, then it will show up in after. So the way we have it set up, like so if you yeah, you don't go and redeem that person's one now, but if you were to redeem it, then it'll get a redeemed banner across it saying that they redeemed it, and it'll show that for the next hour that that coupon has been redeemed. And then after that hour, it will then put it um into the redeemed folder.
Yeah, that's neat. Yeah. Cool deal.
Yeah. I
Oh, another. another question.
Yeah.
Another
Can you
question.
give me 2 minutes? I just got to run to the washroom and come right back here.
Oh,
I'll be
okay.
like two
No problems.
seconds.
No problems. Go ahead.
All right, I'm back.
Cool, cool. So my other question
Yeah.
is about the reporting. So
Okay.
I was asked earlier about these two. So we have reward subscribers and promotion subscribers.
Yeah.
And um, is this pertaining to the like the forms that we're using, or because we were just sending promotion, uh, the form for promotions, and we're not sending the rewards form. I don't know if that's what it is, but
Okay.
um, what would be the difference of that?
It's just um, if somebody subscribed through the one of the VIP promotion campaigns, then it should just um it'll add them as a subscriber, but then say that they're a promotion subscriber. If they subscribe through the register for rewards, which I think you guys were using before too, then it'll show them as a rewards subscriber. So the two different ones are if you go to high level,
Okay,
if you go to sites, if you
forms,
go
right?
to okay, so no, go back to funnels.
Funnels.
I'll just show
Okay.
you there and then you can see which forms they are. So under VIP promotions, funnels and pages,
Mm-hmm.
anybody who registers through the in-house offer, the print offer, the default campaign, stuff like that, right
Mm-hmm.
there. So A001, that's where they are going to be tagged as they're going to go into the system as a promotion subscriber.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So anybody who comes through here, one of these campaigns here, is going to be tagged as a promotion subscriber in our system. And if you go back and you go to click home again. So obviously one of those forms that are in there, and then the other one is the rewards loyalty and dashboard.
Oh, this one is what we're using right now.
Yeah,
So
so if
this
you
one is
click
saying
on that,
rewards. Yeah, this
rewards
one.
registration, anybody who
Oh.
joins through there is going to be tagged as rewards. And you can have
I see.
overlap. You can have overlap. Like if somebody does one and then fills out the form on another page, they'll be tagged as both. Does that
Okay,
so
okay.
that's why
Now I
you
understand
have
it.
like you says 30 subscribers, but then it shows that you have 38 people registered or in different things. It just shows a division it just subdivides who how many people have subscribed for um which or through which however. So because you can have people who are subscribed for promotions who aren't subscribed to rewards and vice versa. So we just have it set up that way. I mean, 30 subscribers is the total number of people, but then some of those people are in both promotions and in rewards, depending on, I guess, how they came
Mm,
in. So
okay.
if you have a QR code that's set up that's going to one of those promotion pages or something, then
Then
maybe they
it will
came in
show up
that
here.
way.
Uh, all right. Yeah. That's it.
All
I think
right,
it's
yeah,
good.
we got other than that, we got a pretty quiet day here. It's been actually a quiet week. We've had a few calls this week and it's been pretty quiet. I guess everybody just um back to the grind for September here. Anyway. Um yeah, so I mean Ben, if you got anything else, I know I don't think Odin or maybe Waj, I don't know if
Yeah,
Waj has
that's
any questions or anybody
yeah.
else has any questions. If they do have any thoughts or questions, feel free to speak up and we can chat. I will say I got asked this morning if I'd be on Snapshot Wars, which is a thing. Michael, I can't remember how to say his name here. Um, he's got a good last name here. Let's go view profile. Michael Luigi Pachito has started a thing called Snapshot Wars. So and he's got a GHL snapshot management system out there, and he's got another website where he just talks about all different kinds of snapshot, and he does snapshot reviews and everything. So this morning I got asked if I'd be on Snapshot Wars. So I guess tomorrow between 10 and 12, something like that, are 1:30 Eastern, I'll be on Snapshot Wars doing building out something, some kind of surprise something that's going to happen when we're on the call tomorrow. So it should be interesting and fun to do that. So that's exciting. Update is yeah, we updated the promotion snapshot, so cleaned that up a little bit, got rid of some of the custom values that aren't necessary in there, and I'll be pushing that out through the group here shortly. So really, all it is mostly just the promotions system here, and then so if I refresh this might be something that I have to take a look at as well. If we refresh that, we shouldn't actually have any promotions there, but we will see that one redeemed coupon here. And I think maybe we need to have a bit of a all your promotions have been redeemed at this point there. But normally what I would do, and I think Ben, you guys are doing this too, is you're just showing a lot of the other things that everyone else, like the other things that the restaurant and the business does, not just
Yeah.
coupons, right? So
Yeah,
um,
advertisements. Yeah.
this is just a test account here, so I would have more advertisements and stuff in here as well.
Yeah.
And then one thing we added at the bottom was a copy this link to share with your friends kind of thing because we since we took out the reward system, there is no real referral link for it, but this one will take them to the join VIP where we don't have it set up for points to redeem, or they'll get points when they join, but they can refer their friends anyways that
Yeah,
way.
that's very
So
cool.
home and redeemed is what we have there. So yeah, so I'll be pushing this out shortly, and that's literally just promotions, no rewards tied to it at all. So no points. Um and then if we go over to yeah, this is just testing all this whole thing out here. Not much has changed in this back end here. There was I don't even know I'm going into that yet, but fitness, we cleaned up the whole fitness snapshot too, so that one should be live in our dashboard here shortly too. I think I just wanted to have a quick look at the messaging before we push it completely out. Because sometimes there might be some messaging in there from the salon snapshot that we had because we use that as a base for the fitness one. And I see that Dion is jumping in here for a quick check-in. And let's see what he's up to. Dion, how's it going?
It's going good, man. How you, Jason?
We're doing good. I'm gonna stop sharing here. Uh, it's a slower day around here today. So, do you have any questions or things to discuss or anything like that?
No, I saw the link late. I was busy doing some other things, had some
Yeah,
stuff with
okay.
some meetings and everything like that. So I was just jumping in
Yeah,
to catch and
how
I'll
are
catch
things?
the replay in the group.
Oh, okay, yeah. We didn't really cover too much. We kind of troubleshooted what Ben had going on here and figured out why his promotions weren't showing up properly for him. But that's pretty Ben, you guys have a pretty unique case of how you guys have things set up because I think you're moving a few things around. But yeah, so other than that, things are going good. I don't have a whole lot to talk about today other than, we're finishing up our the changes to the fitness snapshot that we were rolling out, and then what was it? We put together basically stripped out rewards from promotions and are just having a better promotions snapshot that's kind of easier to implement. So we've been working on that for the last few days. And then a couple other stuff that we're working on is just the tiered reward system. I know that's been in the works for a little while. And then we got our translation back for translating the system into Spanish, which is uh, the basically the promotions manager and the leaderboard will be all be translated into Spanish as well as English. So shortly in the future, you'll be able to select whether you want this to be English or Spanish. The front end funnels and stuff like that will still need to be translated by your team or whoever. I'm not really sure how exactly the best way is to go about that because I know we'll end up with like 500 different snapshots if we start converting everything to different languages. But we'll have our back end system here anyways, converted to English and Spanish. So you'll be able to select that in the future here too.
That's awesome.
Um, yeah, we picked up a new QR code scanner just to play around more with things like that and look at how we can integrate with wallets and fun stuff like that. So, I'll just throw this out there is yesterday we have another kind of addition to Power Tools, which is our agency launch lab thing that we're doing. And that is more like talking about sales and marketing, and it's more of a mastermind on how to get out there and get clients and sell high level to those customers. So I'll do a little plug for that now. Agency launch lab, we talk on every Monday and Wednesday at 12 PST. And then it's a big push just for chatting about sales, chatting about marketing, chatting about mindset, systems, reviewing marketing copy, funnels, ads, that kind of stuff. Going over things with everyone on what they've put together and how they want to market themselves. So our team is helping out with that and just trying to provide more marketing support to with going out and selling all these wonderful high level things. So if anybody's interested in that, you can join us as well. It's right now we have a promo on. It's $97 a month. And it's basically a mastermind where we jump on and we all help each other and chat through some things and review what people are doing. And we've done some really good role playing, some sales role playing and cold calling and stuff like that too. So it's kind of neat. So that's my little plug for that. I will update the website. It's at agencylaunchlab.com. But other than that, if nobody else has any questions, we could probably um, close things out for today. Um, I guess the only other thing that I would say is it's what I find is really interesting is that we have a number of people using the system and the point system for a variety of different things. We've got obviously agencies who are using we've got agencies who are using the point system for themselves to give their clients points and allow them to take more actions. Yesterday I did a setup with a lady named Emily. She was here on Tuesday, and they have a clothing swap store where they're going to be using the point system now, or they will be shortly, to manage inventory and allow their customers to check in and check out. Basically, they get points when they come in, when they bring clothes in, and then they get points when they redeem those points when they check clothes out, which is really neat. And we've got some audio studios and stuff using the point system for their rewards and whole bunch of other stuff. So really cool. The system is quite versatile. For the loyalty and rewards. It's not just loyalty and rewards. I guess you can use it as a kind of an inventory slash currency as well. So some really cool stuff that's happening with that. So that's neat. Um, and yeah, other than that, I think we could probably just close it out for today, unless anybody wants to talk about something. All right. Well, you guys, thanks for jumping on and thanks for joining me on this Thursday. I hope you guys have a good rest of your week. If you guys want to tune into that what is it called? Snapshot Wars, I'm gonna put the link in chat here as well. Snapshotwars.com/home. Tomorrow we're gonna do that. That should be fun for the afternoon and see what we can come up with. There is another event here too. I'm going to share this. There, that's the Facebook book event. And there's also going to be a live link event here too. So it's all the same. Anyways, okay, you guys enjoy the rest of your day and have a great weekend. And we'll talk to you guys early next week. Thanks.